unboxing my extra large Gourmia. I hope I'm saying it right. It's an oven and an air fryer, so I'm super excited about that. Hey! Okay, here it is. It's big, so I hope it fits under my cupboards where I'm gonna put it. Okay, this is the space. I'm thinking it might not fit. This is gonna be tragic. Uh-oh. Okay, it does fit. It is very massive though, and it comes out a lot. So this is the drip pan, I believe. A lot of people cover this in aluminum. I still have to see the details about that. Aluminum is not great for your health when it's put on food, but I don't know if it's like heated will you get like the fumes from the aluminum. If anyone knows the answer to that, can you please comment and let me know if it makes a difference, if it's there when the heat is on it and no food is on there. But we'll see. Okay, this has way more trays than I had expected. I didn't know it had another pan. I guess this is like a separate drip pan. And then the basket, it's considered a basket. And then the rack. So, and then this is rounded. So it's kind of like the shape for, I think it says pizza. So this is great for a specific size of pizza. I have to look it up, but I think it's a 13-inch pizza. It's pretty large. Haven't used it, but I'd love to review this and let you guys know. I mean, you can even make popcorn in here, I read. So there's the options are endless. And I have a Whole Foods whole tray that I'm gonna put on there on separate racks, and I think this is gonna be really nice warmed up in there. Okay, so here are all the details of this. Temperature probe, which it came with. Oops, here it is, little temperature probe. And convection mode. I've never used convection even with my own oven, so I'm gonna have to learn how to use that. 6 rack positions, air fryer basket, oven rack, baking pan, and then the crumble tray, which I can pull out. French door, so when you open one door, the whole thing opens. That was really cool. And this is the dimensions, because I was freaking out that I wasn't gonna fit. Now, the one thing I have to figure out, I have to read the instructions, but with my old air fryer, I had to pull it out from behind the wall so that the heat wouldn't get onto the wall. And it did say under the instructions, pull out from wall, which a lot of people don't know, but this was my old air fryer and I did have to pull it out from behind the wall, and I would kind of put it like this so the heat, it wouldn't get stuck on behind the wall. I think it was a fire hazard. So I'm gonna have to look that up for this one to see that, because that could be a make it or break it thing, because the space is so limited. So I'll let you guys know if that's also a thing. Okay, I don't even know what this means yet. Dual cook. Does that mean you can cook 2 things at the same time? I don't know. Because it looks like it says, like it's showing 2 temperatures. Another thing, here it is. Large 15-inch pizza, 20-pound turkey. So my old air fryer, I can put up to a 10-pound turkey. This is massive. This is massive. And then 12 slices of bread, and then a pan of 15 by 13, which I'm already gonna order extra pans from Amazon to put that in. So another thing I highly recommend is with my old air fryer, I actually got a recall on it, the Kasori. And that's part of the reason why I'm buying a new air fryer. Also, I wanted a full stainless steel air fryer because it doesn't have forever chemicals and it's healthier. I also heard terrible things about black air fryers, that they are mostly used with recycled plastics, and the reheat of the plastic, basically it breaks down and it makes it go into the food, and it had high metals and all sorts of things. So that is the reason why I got this. I had never heard of a Gourmia, and I just looked at this, and it says Costco Wholesale Corporation. So I'm gonna guess that this is a Costco brand, or they're affiliated, or this is a subsidiary of Costco, kind of like Kirkland. But you can't really go wrong with Costco. So, and I think I'm definitely gonna look for where the warranty is and put that in, because that was the only reason I knew that my Kasori was recalled, was because I put in, I put my registration for it. So I would recommend that you do this for this one as well, or save your receipt so that you have record of it if anything goes wrong with it or if it's recalled. Thanks. Okay, so here's the last thing. Here it is. Do not place the appliance against the wall or against other appliances. Leave at least 4 inches of free space on the back and sides and 4 inches of free space above the appliance. So I have about 4 inches here. I did pull it back. I'm gonna have to put a measuring tape, but 4 inches and then 4 inches above. So we'll see. It seems to be that the vents are here. There aren't any vents on this side. And I believe that there are vents back here. I feel them right there on that side. There they are. And that's it, I think. So we'll see.